Hello, you beautiful people. We are back at it again with another dematting. Our lovely client today was actually local. She didn't have to travel too far for our services today, which is always beautiful to hear. She has been matted since November. So if you know, we can never really estimate how long these services are gonna take, but we have the whole day blocked out for her, no matter how long it takes. If you or anyone you know is going through this, I promise you, you are not alone. Matting is something that is extremely common to occur and easily can get out of hand. Tone Hair Salon is a judgment-free zone full of love, and we are here to help you if need be. Now, I hope you guys enjoy as we get into this dematting. So after 11 hours of picking, prying, and combing, we got her free! She was truly such a beautiful human being, guys. After we got her fully dematted and brushed out, we gave her a good loving scrub. We get asked a lot if this is included in the service or added on. Guys, if we are dematting you, we're giving you the full treatment. This is 100% included. And at the end of the day, all of our clients decide whether or not they want a haircut or how they want to be styled. In this case, after we got all of her hair free, she did want a big chop. Not a big chop, but a Babiana. So Anna worked her magic and gave her a bob just to cut off the dead ends and a little bit of layers to give her some movement and body yada yada. At the end of the day, the most rewarding part of this service is just to see how radiant our clients are after the service. Again, if you or anyone you know is going through this, I promise you, you are not alone and we are here to help you. Don't resort to the buzzer. Don't resort to the scissors. We got you. It is possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram at Leda Fazal at Tone Hair Salon, and we post all of this content on there as well. We also go live during these demattings, so if you want to do it with us one day, you know you could always join. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support and the love. I hope all of you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye-bye. Mwah.